The American political landscape has been tumultuous, characterized by fierce debates, polarizing figures, and unprecedented events. Among these, the presidency of Donald J. Trump stands out as one of the most controversial periods in recent memory. With allegations of misconduct, divisive rhetoric, and legal battles dominating headlines, Trump's tenure continues to shape the political discourse even after leaving office. In a significant development, a U.S. court recently denied Trump's immunity claim in a case related to the alleged interference in the 2020 presidential election. This ruling not only has legal ramifications, but also raises broader questions about accountability, democracy, and the rule of law in the United States. The case in question revolves around allegations of election interference during the 2020 presidential race. Following his defeat to Democrat Joe Biden, Trump and his allies relentlessly pursued various legal avenues to challenge the election results. Amidst claims of voter fraud and irregularities, Trump and his legal team mounted numerous lawsuits in battleground states, seeking to overturn the outcome of the election. However, the vast majority of these legal challenges were dismissed due to lack of evidence or procedural grounds. Despite the setbacks in court, Trump continued to assert baseless claims of widespread voter fraud, fueling conspiracy theories and undermining confidence in the electoral process. One of the most contentious aspects of Trump's post-election efforts was his alleged pressure on state officials to overturn the results in his favor. This included phone calls and meetings where Trump reportedly urged officials to find or recalculate votes, raising concerns about potential abuse of power and interference in the democratic process. For Donald Trump, the denial of immunity in the election interference case represents a significant legal setback. It opens the door for further scrutiny of his conduct during and after the 2020 election and potentially exposes him to legal liability. Moreover, it undermines his attempts to portray himself as a victim of political persecution and reinforces the perception of him as a divisive and controversial figure. From a broader perspective, the court's ruling adds to the ongoing debate over the legacy of the Trump presidency and its impact on American politics. Throughout his time in office, Trump pushed the boundaries of executive power, often testing the limits of constitutional norms and democratic institutions. The denial of immunity in this case is a testament to the resilience of those institutions and the commitment of the judiciary to uphold the rule of law.